If you want to watch videos and get the money for it, this is the right strategy. Okay, I'm going to show you a few websites where it allows you to watch the videos and get a lot of money. This is the amount of money that I've got with watching videos last week, so you can do the same. Hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, this is gonna work all around the world. Anybody can make money with this. It doesn't matter where you live. So just follow the steps and do them correctly. The first website is called Scarlet Clicks. Okay, this is Scarlet Clicks, and you can get a lot of money on this website. You can see here that you can earn by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members. Now, if you get few friends or family members who are into making money online, you can get some money from referrals. But that's not the main thing that we're gonna do in here, okay? First of all, I want to tell you that cash out options on this website are really good. So you can use Skrill, NetTeller, Payeer, AirTM, and you can even get yourself some Bitcoin. So if you like crypto, you can get it here on this website, and you can get some nice amounts. So first of all, what do you have to do? Of course, you have to make yourself an account. Simply click on this register button, and it's not gonna be hard at all. So you can complete this general information about yourself. So full name, day of birth, and this payment information, and you're done with it. Now we can go and log in inside of it. Now when you log in inside of it, there's gonna be this option earn more, okay? And click on this Scarlet Grid, okay? This is the best thing on here, and you can see that there are a lot of these like tiny boxes, and this is like a whole picture of it. But this allows you to get $1 for each one of those. Okay, so you can see that there's 20 times 28 boxes. 20 times 28 means that there are 560 boxes in that picture. So you get $1 for each one of those. That means $500 for you. You can do this today. You can do this, I don't know, in 10 days, whatever you want to do. So for example, you can just click on any of these boxes to begin with. You're going to be redirected to the website, and all that you have to do is you have to stay on this website for a certain number of seconds, okay? So maybe 10, 15, or maybe even 20 seconds, and then you will get the money for it, okay? That's how this works. But sometimes there's not gonna be a website, okay? There's gonna be a video, and that allows you to get more money because the ads on videos are more paid. All of that is gonna go to your Scarlet Click account, where you can just later go and withdraw that. If you want to use Bitcoin, for example, you will need a wallet, and you can of course just get the one on Coinbase.com, or you can use any other wallet on the internet. This Exodus wallet is really good. I use it all the time, but in the end, it doesn't matter which wallet you have. You just have to have one. So that was about this website. Click on the boxes, watch the videos, the websites, and the money is gonna come to you. Now, the next website where you can watch a lot of these videos is Cointiply.com, okay? This website is pretty old, okay? Pretty old website, but the thing is that they exist, and they exist because of this, guys. Just take a look at these reviews, 4,000 reviews, and they've got a 4.0 out of 5. So this is a pretty good website. People really get a lot of money and they're really satisfied. You can judge that from the comments, okay? So you can see people are generally pleased with the way this website works, okay? Wow, what a great site. This just means that there's a lot of money on the website. So Cointiply.com, as you can see, as they tell it here, you can actually turn your time into money, okay? So the more time you invest in this, the more money you can get, and you can just involve yourself into like these surveys if you like that, or you can play games, but of course there's watching videos, okay? A lot of different tasks, a lot of offers on this website, but watching videos is the most profitable thing, okay, that you can do on this website. And you have a lot of these like nice features. You have like 3 million members on this website already, and I like about this website is that they've got these like fast payments, and that's really cool. You don't wait for your money, all right? Also, they have like this loyalty bonus, which will increase your earnings to 100%, okay? So you just need to log in inside of it each day, and you will get like this multiplier, which will increase your earnings, whatever you do on the website, okay? And you can actually see that they have Google Play app. Unfortunately, there isn't any app for the App Store. So iOS users cannot use this. They can use only the website version, but Android users can get this one. You can see that it is pretty nicely rated, pretty good one. And my honest suggestion is that you start with this one right away. Also, hit that subscribe button if you like this content. Thank you. Now, when you log in inside of this is going to be your dashboard, okay? This is the dashboard of Cointeply, and it has a lot of colors. You don't know where to look, but don't feel confused. Simply just click on Earn Coins, okay? Then from here, you can choose Roll the Faucet, you can view PDC ads, you can just complete surveys, and of course, watching videos is in here. When you click on it, you will be redirected to choose from some of their partners, okay? And they have like 4 partners when it comes to videos. They have Jungle Survey, they have Playtime, Loot TV, and Hideout TV. This Jungle Survey is not actually videos, but it is like viewing websites. So if you click on Open Jungle Survey, it is not going to give you videos, but you will actually have to see some websites in order to get the money. But if you click on Playtime or Loot TV or Hideout, you will actually be given like these videos which you can watch and earn money on them. Okay, so whichever one of these videos you want to get, just click on them. You can just watch this cute penguin, or you can watch, I don't know, maybe some gaming videos, maybe some food recipes, whatever. But the thing is, no one is gonna ask you what was in those videos, okay? So you can just skip them. I mean, they have to run from the start to the end, but you don't have to be present, okay? You don't have to watch them yourself. You can just let them run in the background. So for example, you can just put a longer one, like this one is 14 minutes, and then you can go and do something else until that video is finished, okay? Then you just come back and you just put another one and you do the same thing, okay? That's really sweet because you don't have to stick to your computer. You can just let it run and then you can come back afterwards. All in all, it's a pretty good website. You have a lot more options as you've already seen, so you can choose for yourself, okay? The important thing is that you take action, guys, and then the money is gonna come. Also, what I can suggest to you is that you try out these like PDC ads, and that is maybe the most easiest way to get the money on the website. You just have to stick to certain websites for a number of seconds, just like on Scarlet Clicks, right? So, for example, just take a look at this BitBunch. You click on it, you need to view this for 7 seconds, and that's it. Click on View, you're going to be redirected, and you don't care what is on this website, okay? You just stay here for 7 seconds, and when you go back, you're just going to have to validate your click. This is like a weird captcha or something. Select that mushroom and you can see that my view has been recorded. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how you get the money with Cointeply. I strongly suggest that you try this out, get the money, and I'll catch you later.